This is a crave-worthy miso soup that is perfect for fall. Hey, I'm over 40, so it's all about getting those nutrients. And not only is miso great for gut health, it's rich in nutrients, probiotics, and antioxidants. Miso also adds incredible flavor to your soups. Start by chopping up all your favorite veggies. This is a spin-off the cabbage soup diet, but it includes potatoes because I'm a hearty girl. Look, potatoes got Russia through a famine, so this soup is a meal. I like to make a big batch for nights when I really don't feel like cooking. I know that I'm going to provide my body with a lot of nutrition and it's already done. Easy peasy. So just bring that to a boil, and once your soup is done, because we add miso last, we don't want to cook the miso, just put it in as the soup warms. I like to put in a big scoop. And it's so nourishing. Miso is incredible. I try to eat it as often as possible. And if you want more miso recipes, just comment miso and I'll give you more.